Hey guys, so this morning we are going to be cutting down a massive tree that's next to our house and just not where we want it to be. So you can see this guy, we keep cutting down branches, but it's overhanging, it's ruining the bar top. And so we're just hopefully going to do this in the right way. Massive trees like this can definitely hurt, kill, break things. So just take all safety precautions that you can. We're using our chainsaw and we have our headgear that has built-in earphones, and then we have a little shield thing to protect us. Remember, wearing gloves is not always the safest plan, and never cut down a big tree by yourself. You always have a plan for your exit that's 90 degrees from the direction of what you're cutting, and have someone else there to tap you out in case the tree starts falling whenever you're going. So wish us luck, and we'll give you some little photos along the way. Another important thing to consider before you really start going is to cut off any low-hanging branches that you can reach. We've gone as high as we possibly can, and so now we're getting ready. We have all of our animals locked up. We've looked at which way the tree naturally wants to fall, looked at the ground, tried to stake out, okay, which direction would it avoid the most damage. Our wall we are replacing later, and so we're okay if it falls that way. So just be aware of your exit plan, the plan that you want the tree to fall, and make sure you do all the prep work possible in order to make this a safe tree cutting.
You can see that I cut high, and I did that just because of the length of the tree and where I wanted it to fall. When I started my back cut, we don't have any videos of this because right after this my wife went down to make sure she was watching, make sure we didn't get killed. And there is the tree after it fell in the direction we wanted. And so when you're done, grab yourself a beer. You did a good job. Hope this helped.